Okay, this is the flex plate right there. The correct one for my truck is FRA-450, and you get it at Oreilly's. And then the output shaft on the transmission, the tail, that is the correct seal right there. And then the little clips that you're going to get for your transmission lines, 800-801. This is $10.99. This is $4.99. And then the oil filter, I like AC Delco, you know, but there is the correct oil filter for it. Alright, let's give it a quick look here. Okay. The seal that I put in before I left and went to Arkansas had a boot on it, which made it stuck out. You can see in the video, it stuck up about like that, and then it eventually crushed it. But this is the correct seal for it right here. Alright. That's 9449, not 6446 or whatever. Alright. Then, put these right here. We look at this flex plate. We look at that thing. It's broke all the way around. And when it spins, it was spinning all the way around this right here. You can see where it was just beating the hell out of it. It'd grab it and it cranked the truck. See? That's where it would grab. This is the correct one, not the Z270 on eBay. The one that I had gotten, ordered, and it was wrong. And I can tell you why. Because the distance, let's get up here where I can get the whole damn thing in here. From here to here, outside dimension, the Z270 is 14 inches. This flex plate is 14 1/8. Alright. This flex plate is identical in the width, 14 1/8. Alright. Then you can look by lining the holes up. There it is. All the holes line up. There, that's even better. Alright. And it's exactly the same. I give it just a little bit right there. You got a 168 teeth and 24 pitch. This part right here don't really matter, what, you know, the holes and stuff. What you look for is make sure the pattern here fits and the overall outside dimension from one side to the other. See, look at that. We'll line them up right there. Get them exactly lined up. And then look at that right there. Alright. I measured it. It's 14 1/8. The Z270 is 14 exactly, so it's shorter. So that means when you back bolt your factory starter up, you're going to be, there's going to be a space in between, so you can't shim it. If you had to shim it, you would literally have to, if you couldn't get it to engage and it eat the teeth off, because all it's doing is grabbing a part of it here, it would eat the teeth off of this and probably your starter as well. But on factory, with this 14 1/8, if you have any problems, you shim it down. There's no way to go up unless you take and do some machine work to your starter. That's why. Make sure you get the right one for your truck. And that, my truck is a 2003 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Okay? That's what it is. Well, I got some visitors. Nice guy coming out, look bush hog. Do some bush hogging. Alright, y'all, peace.